Go. What are you doing? You want to play your game? I'm not taking a picture, silly.
Why?
Because I'm recording it. Go. Play your game. Let me see you get in your game.
Dada, I put the old right button.
Yeah.
I put down like this, but I picked the book on it.
Did you?
Yeah, I had a book on it.
Mm.
Baby. I found my game.
You found your game?
Yeah, it's right here. I see it. Daddy,
What?
I think he shoot the wall. The wall right there. Wall.
Oh.
Mama had one gun on the arm like this.
My
Let's probably get the gun that way the wall.
3 years old has found his game.
Daddy? Wait, let's play forward.
PJ. PJ.
Yeah.
Say love you, Grandma.
Grandma, Mama.
Say I love you, Grandma.
Hi, you, Mama.